how to format dollar, how to format date, how to format time, and how to format the present text in this Microsoft Office Excel. How to format dollar in Microsoft Excel. So this is my example. I want to explain you here step by step. I have a quantities and price, and I want to total and calculate. So this total and show the answer. Okay, I remove the answer of the totals column. And next, in the columns of the price, I need to format to dollar. I just select all cell and click on home, and you see that. So this is button to format to dollar. So this is the outcome of the answer. And if you want to calculate the total in this column, you just press equal, click on quantity and time with price and press enter. So this is the total result after you calculate. Now I select some column that I want to format to dollar, and I click dollar buttons to format this cell. Okay, with format dollar is ready. How to format that in the Microsoft Excel. This is my example here that I enter the date ready. Now I select and delete this cell. And if you want to enter the date is correctly, so this is the example. The first you need to enter month, and after day, and the last date is year. Okay, the date I enter already, and I click on this cell and pull it down. One more example. So this is one format that I need to do the same. And how can I do? In this that example, it means that the month we need to show the text. Like for example, if this month is January, we need to show the word JAN or full. We don't show the number. So how can we format in Excel? Okay, format here first. You select the cell and click on this button and click custom. Inbox, I type the letter M. Okay, you can see that the format is meant that to show the words SEP, not full. And if I want to this month is full words, I just add one more M. Okay, you can see that. So the word of this month is show full word. And next we need to complete day. Day, the letters is D. I type the letter D 2 times. You see that, so this is example. And the letter of year is wife. You can press Y 2 times or 4 times. If you want to need full, you press 4 times. Okay, so this is I just want to express use like that. And this format, I remove the letter M1 and Y also, because I don't want to show full of this date. Okay, finish, click OK. Okay, we see that the outcome is show the format that ready. Additionally, if you enter the mode that under here, you just press month, slash, day, and year. The result we see that is a format auto. That very essential because we use that for manage the day for the inventory, income, or outcome in stock. Okay, with the format that is done. How to enter and format time in Microsoft Excel. Okay, the time very important for you to enter out of the stuff. This is my example. First, if you want to enter the time is correctly, I remove this cell, I type the hour first, and press colon, minute, and press enter. Okay, so this is that correct. Enter the time in cell. Now, I remove all time here in the cell. First, I select all cell, and click on this button, and click custom. I click inbox and select the text and remove. And next in the box, I type the letter H 2 times and press colon and type the letter MM 2 times. And I will explain just that. So what is HH and what is the letter MM? And after press colon and type the letter SS. Don't forget AM and PM. AM is the morning and PM is afternoon. And I want to express just that. The letter HH is hour, MM is minute, and SS second. AM PM is morning and afternoon. It's ready, click OK. Take the time in the box here. So this is the hour first, minute and second. Okay, we see that. So this is the result that we need. Okay, with the format time is done. How to format the present text in the Microsoft Excel? Exactly, the present text is very important for that when you manage for discount something that you sell and you want to calculate to discount price or total also. How can we format the present text in Microsoft Excel? Now I format the number in this cell. And after the columns discount, I need to select this cell. It's all the general. And if you want to format, just click on this button to set the format present text. And after you can type the number that discount in this cell. And after I want to calculate so discount total here. So first I press equal, press open the parentheses. Click on quantities times with the price and close the parentheses. Enter with discount. Press enter to show the answer. Okay, so this is the discount total after you calculate. Additionally, if you have a problem with to format the present text, you know that so in cell have number ready, and I click on this button to set the present text. The outcome of this number show me is wrong. And if you want to correct this present text, you need to add one more columns and press on this cell, press equal, click on the first number here, divide 100 and press enter. Okay, so this is that is showing when you have this problem. And I want to express you that if you want to format the present text, you should select on cell and set first before you enter the number in cell. Okay, with the format present text is done. In short, with format dollar, format date, format times, and format the present text are done in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for your lovely sharing. See you in next video.